Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove Navigate to Admin Shopify. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open up your Shopify website and log in to your account. Once you're here, now from the Shopify admin dashboard, go to Online Store and then click on Themes. After that, find the theme you want to edit and click on the three dots on the right side of your page. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on the Edit Code option. After that, scroll down till the end, and here, you will find the option Assets. So, simply click on that option. And here, under Add a New Asset, click on Base.css. After that, scroll till the end, and here, you just need to type this, which is showing on the screen. Once done, now, click on the Save button on the right side to save the file. Now, let's take a look at our store. So click on the Preview button on the top right. Once you do that, you will notice that the search bar has disappeared. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.